Welcome back, everyone. Found this sovereign citizen on Armed Alabama YouTube channel. His name's David Hall. Sure, some of y'all heard of him. Here's his court appearance in Broward County Bond Court in front of Judge John Hurley. Let's watch.
I need to say how I'm appearing today, sir.
Hold on, wait, let me finish. Hold on.
Is that the audio cut out for a second?
All right, hold on, Mr. Hall.
Oh, it comes back up, don't worry.
Sir, you've been charged with DUI, expired tag, attaching a plate not assigned, license suspended, failed to drive in a single lane. Just give me a moment, sir. Let me look at your driving record.
It's pretty common with sovereign citizens. They have a suspended driver's license and they'll try to find a way around it by pick up a stack of papers instead of a driver's license and say, I have a right to travel in my private automobile, which they know won't work.
Okay.
Sir, I haven't said for the court how I'm appearing today,
Well,
sir.
I'm not asking you yet. Just give me a moment, all right? I need to look at your record. Okay, I'm looking here. Failure to pay traffic tickets back 2011. Open container. Okay. All right, sir. Hold on. Does this gentleman, Mr. David Hall, does he have any criminal record?
Yes, Judge, and he also has pending felony DWLSs in front of...
Okay, what's the pending felony DWLS?
USON. Okay, there's a few. 1 second.
So he didn't pay his traffic tickets. That makes sense of why his driver's license got suspended. Is that pretty common with sovereign citizens? They don't pay their traffic tickets and their license gets suspended and they'll say, oh, I'll bite into the script and get around it. Let's keep watching.
I'll give you a moment to talk in just a moment, sir. Hold on, Mr. Hall.
The pending felony is 14016-582 CF10A.
Okay.
He also has pending misdemeanor DWLSs in front
What is that? What are they?
Judge Evans. Case number 14053-909
Wait, 14 what?
TC30A.
TC30A. Okay.
And that's it.
That's it?
And a criminal history, obviously.
Oh, Arfie's got a long history or something. Let's keep watching.
Okay. Now, Mr. Hall, so you wanted to say something.
Yes, may I speak, Judge?
Well, don't tell me about what happened or did not happen regarding the DUI, but if you want to tell me about something
I'd like
else,
to state some things.
Go ahead.
I'd like to state some things for the record. Thank you, Judge. Judge John Hurley, I do accept your oath of office here today for the record, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes,
Does
sir.
this court take...
Or how much nonsense he's going to spew out. Let's keep watching.
Does this court take judicial notice of your oath, sir? With all due respect.
Let me see. I take judicial notice of my own oath. Yes, sir, I do.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, today I'm appearing as the agent and settler for David Hall.
Okay. Okay. Could you get Mr. Hall for me then, sir? Where is he?
I go by that name, sir. My name sounds exactly like the defendant's, and I'm here to settle that matter today.
So are you and David Hall one and the same person?
So if you're the agent and seller for David Hall, and yep, you said I am David Hall, which one is it? Stupid.
I'm not a person, I'm an individual. David Hall is a person.
Okay.
I am
Are
the agent
you
to
and
that
David
name.
Hall one and the same individual?
I go by the name David Hall, sir, and I'm
Okay.
here about that matter today.
Okay. So you go by the name David Hall. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. The person who goes by the name of David Hall is standing in front
I'm
of
the
you.
individual. I am
the
an
individual.
individual, not a person.
You're not a
Yes,
person.
sir. David Hall is a person. I am a private individual. David Hall.
Oh, so aren't you you're a person still? I mean, you're David Hall, so wouldn't it be better to just fess up and tell the truth? Stupid.
Hall is a person under color of law, sir.
Okay. Where's David Hall then? The person David Hall.
Exists on paper, sir. David Hall is a corporation. This action is under color of law, sir, and I do understand that. I am here in my real capacity as the private individual for that name.
Okay,
and I'm here about that matter.
You're the
and I'm happy to
you're
settle
the
it.
private individual, David Hall.
I'm the settler, sir.
You're the settler,
settler.
David Hall.
I'm the settler too.
Come on, Your Honor. Someone told me this sovereign citizen script would work. Why ain't it working?
You, David Hall, sir.
Are you the
I'm
private
happy to-
individual, David Hall?
Yes.
Good. Okay, we got that straight. We agree on that. Okay. Now, David
May I,
Hall,
sir?
David Hall, the private individual. I'm looking at your driving record right now. Multiple failures to pay traffic tickets for the individual, David Hall, not the person. But, sir, what I'm going to do...
Can you clarify, sir?
ahead.
I'm not sure I understand that, but I'm happy to settle this matter right now if somebody will make presentments. Nobody has made presentment, and I've asked numerous times, and for the record...
When you say presentment, what do you mean by presentment?
Presentment of the charging instrument for set-off and settlement, sir. I am the settler.
I just
What's a
told...
charging instrument? I wonder how many times he's failed in court on this one.
told you what it is. I told you what your I told you what the individual
Presentment.
David Hall did.
Judge,
Yes, sir.
I will require somebody to make me a presentment of the charging instrument on paper so that I may settle that matter. I'm here as settler, and I'm happy to settle this charge
Okay, we're not
right
gonna
now.
We're not settling. Today's not the day to settle matters for these kind of charges. All right. We don't settle them today. All right.
May I say something else for the record, sir?
Go ahead, sir.
Thank you. I am secured party under a UCC filing at the Secretary of State 201-308-717-006.
Okay.
I am secured party to David Hall on the record.
Oh, were you trying to cite the UCC codes or something? This guy makes 0 sense.
And through a filing at the Secretary of State, sir. I appear here today as the settler, agent, not the person, but the individual. And I don't think I should have, you understand the
So
difference
you're the
between a
settler,
person and an
you're the
individual.
agent, and you're the individual, but you're not the person. Is that correct?
Correct.
Got it.
Correct.
I'm going to write that down. Settler. Agent. An individual. But you're not the person. Got it. I think, I remember, I think it was last week you told me this too. And I was...
Oh, so Judge Hurley is familiar with it. Let's keep watching and see how Judge Hurley shuts him down.
a little uncertain, but it's all become very clear now. Now, okay, the settler, the agent, the individual, but he's not the person. Okay, so does the settler, the agent, the individual have any money in the bank?
Yes.
Okay, how much money does the settler, the agent, the individual have in the bank?
I'm not certain at this time.
Oh, $100 maybe? Or 500?
Sir?
Okay.
Only that I will give it an affirmative that there is money in a bank account.
Okay, and how long has the settler, the agent, and the individual lived in Broward County?
25 years, sir.
Okay, does the settler, agent, individual own any property in Broward County other than personal effects?
No, sir.
Okay, now,
Oh, so he doesn't have a house or something maybe?
does the person own any property or have any money in the bank? If you know.
In conjunction with myself, sir, in conjunction with myself, we both have. Yes, I'm the agent for that account also.
Okay, got it. Okay, so now,
Oh, what? So you own the bank account too? Cool.
okay, now, here's what we're going to do. The settler, the agent, the individual, and maybe even the person, David Hall, has been charged with DUI. A DUI while the settler, the agent, and even the person, David Hall, was out on bond on 2 cases, 1 felony and 1 misdemeanor, for license suspended. So the court believes that the settler, the agent, the individual, and even the person, David Hall, represents a danger to the community because the settler, the agent, the individual, and even the person continues to drive without a valid driver's license, in fact, a suspended driver's license in the state of Florida. And
got that right, Judge Hurley. He's just finding a way around it by driving illegally. They say I have a right to travel. I'm not driving nonsense they buy into from a creator online. We know that one.
So, that being said, the court is going
May
to...
I make a correction, sir?
Go ahead, sir.
Yes, I'm traveling. You said that you used the term driving, and I was traveling, sir. Traveling.
Okay. All right.
Oh, while doing both traveling and driving? Makes a lot of sense to this Salsit, who thinks he right to travel gives him the entitlement to drive. Yeah, he knows they don't work well for him.
So the settler, the agent, the individual, or the person, David Hall, for traveling on a public highway or public road in the state of Florida, was allegedly doing so without a valid driver's license and has done it several times in the past. So today...
This is alleged, sir?
Yes, sir, it is alleged.
Allegedly?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
So today, the court's going to set the settler, the agent, the individual's bond, and even the person's bond today on count 4 at $10,000 because the settler, the agent, the individual, and the person has not stopped driving even though the settler, the agent, the individual, and the person continues to drive without a driver's license. So, that being said, count 1 is $500.
Can I take the block back for $200?
Count 4 is $10,000, and the court will revoke the bond for the settler, the agent, the individual, and even the person of David Hall on 14-016-582-CF10 and 14-05-3909-TC30A. Both cases will cause the settler, the agent, the individual, and even the person, David Hall, not to be able to be released from the Broward County Jail until further notice of the court. So,
may I post bond, sir?
Oh, I think he denied it, didn't he?
Well,
is there any other?
Are you asking me as the settler, the agent, the individual, or are you asking me as the person?
Sir, I'm asking as the individual appearing before you today about this matter.
Well, the individual, the settler, the agent, the individual, or the person can post the bond. However, the settler, the agent, or the individual, David Hall, will not be released in any event because this court is revoking the bond on a felony case and a misdemeanor case on the settler, the agent, the individual, and the person, David Hall.
Where is my remedy, sir?
Well, whose remedy are you asking for? The settler, the agent, the individual, or the person?
I'm asking for the opportunity.
Who are you speaking on behalf of right now?
I'm asking for a travel back home, Your Honor.
Sir, I don't understand that question. I believe that you're trying to confuse me now.
No, I'm not.
I'm simply separating myself from the person. They are two different entities, and I know that.
The court is not viewing you as two different people. The court is viewing you as one entity for the purpose of these cases.
Then what entity are you referring to me as?
I'm referring to the David Hall, who's the settler, the agent, the individual, and the person.
I'm not the person, sir.
Oh, if you're a person, why are you in the U.S. then? And why are you in court? Makes 0 sense. These all set.
Okay, when
I am
you
not
see the person,
person,
David Hall, tell him he's not leaving jail either, all right?
Sir, then may I ask what my remedy is? Can you provide me a remedy so that
the
I may...
The remedy is, you don't really have a remedy where you could appeal it to the 4th District Court of Appeal.
How long am I going to be held, sir? I would like to settle this matter.
Until another judge tells you can be released.
I would like to settle this matter, sir.
We're not going to settle it today.
So with the other judge, stupid.
Then I'm being denied for the record, I'm being denied my remedy.
What the heck is a remedy for court mean? I don't get it.
What do you think your remedy is?
My remedy is being denied. For the record, I am the real individual, and this action is under color of law, and I don't understand this color of law action.
Okay. Well, have a nice day. Thank you.
Oh, the color of law action by Salsit. That'd be in the video.